Hi everyone. In this session, let us discuss about the subject fundamentals of management and life skills. This is pertaining to the unit 5 life skills, personality and attitude. Under this unit, the subtopics that we'll be discussing here is meaning, definition and elements of life skills. First of all, let us understand the meaning of life skills. Life skills are related to the skills which are highly required for each and every one of us to make the most out of life. And it's highly required to develop adaptive and positive behavior towards each and every situation in our lives, and whatever the challenges that each one of us face in our everyday life, these life skills are required to deal with them very effectively, and along with being successful in our life, we need to be mentally good. That means we have to maintain some good mental status, and that is why we are requiring these life skills in our life. And these life skills are required in the context of health and social events. That means these are referring to the skills which are to be there with each and every person. We have to be well equipped with these skills to develop a kind of positive behavior, and as well as to face the challenges of our life very effectively. And especially these are required for young people, as the challenges will be more with them. Then let us understand how this is being defined, that is life skills. Here you can see two definitions. One is given by World Health Organization, the other definition is given by UNICEF. Let us see how World Health Organization has defined life skills. It has defined life skills as the abilities for adaptive and positive behavior that enable individuals to deal effectively with the demands and challenges of everyday life. This is what is we just now understood under meaning of life skills. That means we need to develop adaptive and positive behavior. That is one thing which is very important. That is what we are observing in this definition. And one more thing is why we have to develop positive behavior. The reason being, there will be many challenges in our everyday life, and to develop this kind of a very adaptive and positive behavior, we require these life skills. Then let us see how UNICEF has defined these life skills. It has defined life skills as a behavior change or behavior development approach designed to address a balance of three areas, and those three areas are knowledge, attitude and skills. That means these life skills can bring some by behavior change in a person, and that is possible in case we are well equipped with these life skills. And one has to be very good at these three things. It has been defined so, and there has to be a proper balance between these three areas, it says. And these three areas where each and every one of us have to be good at are: one is knowledge, attitude and life skills. That means there has to be a proper balance between these three areas. That means we have to be good at knowledge and even at attitude and we have to be good at skills also. That is how it has been defined by UNICEF. Then let us understand what are the elements of life skills. Basically, these life skills are broadly classified into three types. First one is social skills, the second one is thinking skills, and the third one is emotional skills. Let us see first what are these social skills. Social skills are those skills which are required regarding while living in a society, while moving with the society, and those are related to interpersonal skills. Interpersonal skills means how to maintain relationships with others in a respectful, in a cheerful manner. Then communication skills. Yeah, one has to be very good at communication, and we should learn how to make a communication effectively. Then leadership skills. Yeah, one needs to have some leadership qualities also. Then management skills. We know management is everywhere, right from home to college, office, and one has to be good at these skills also. Then advocacy skills, cooperation, and even team building skills, because the result of teamwork will be more good compared to individual efforts. So that has to be taken care, and all these skills are coming under social skills. The second one is thinking skills, and here it covers creative thinking, then critical thinking, that means analyzing the situations and understanding what is good for us and what is not good. Then problem solving skills, because each and every day we'll be facing so many problems and we should learn how to solve those problems, and we should learn living with them. Then decision making skills. Yeah, because in each and every situation we'll be having many alternatives. So we need to understand what kind of decision leads us to where. So these kinds of skills are coming under thinking skills. And the last type of skills are being called as emotional skills. This is also a very equally important kind of skills, because it involves knowing and being comfortable with oneself. Yeah, this is really very interesting. That means being comfortable with others, it's okay, but being comfortable with ourselves is definitely a very interesting fact. That here it means we should learn self management. We should know how to manage ourselves properly, then how to manage our feelings and emotions in front of others or with ourselves, then how to cope up with the stress, maybe of whatever the kind it is. And these kinds of skills are being categorized under emotional skills. So basically all the life skills, whatever the name by which it is being called, it comes under either social skills or thinking skills or emotional skills. These are some 10 core life skills laid down by World Health Organization. And all these skills, it comes under either social skills or thinking skills or emotional skills. So self-awareness, that means we need to know ourselves. Normally people will be good about knowing others. No, that does not okay being told here. We have to have knowledge of ourselves properly. We should know our strengths, our weaknesses, and after knowing this we have to convert our weaknesses into strengths. That is, what is this self awareness, and we should know how much good we are while coping with our emotions, our feelings, or then is it required to make any change in that. In that way, we have to develop some positive behavior of self improvement. Then empathy. This is a very interesting thing, because this is definitely very important, because we should understand how other people are finding themselves in their place. This is what we call putting our feet into somebody else's shoes. That means we should be able to think the situation sitting in the place of the other person. Then critical thinking. Yes, it's definitely required. Analyzation and analytical thinking, then creative thinking, decision making, problem solving. All these comes under thinking skills. Then interpersonal relationship, that means how to develop some good relationship with others. And then effective communication, yes. Then coping with stress and coping with emotions. So all these are the World Health Organization lays down like these are the very important skills, and it comes, all these 10 comes under either social skills or thinking skills or emotional skills. For preparing this video, I have referred the book that has been mentioned here and this website link. If you want further information, you can refer this book as well as the website link. Thank you.